In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to do a master reset for your Creative Outlier Free headphones. With the headphone in the off state, press on the M button for 5 seconds to get into the pairing mode. Once it is in this mode, you can see the LED blinking blue and red. It is in pairing mode. Next, press on the volume up and volume down button together for 5 seconds. This will power down the headphone and the master reset is completed. You will now need to reconnect your headphones to your devices upon powering up. So this is how you do a master reset for your Creative Outlier Free headphones.